Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today guys, I'm going to talk to you about the different accessories for the Leatherman Charge. Well, this could also apply to the Charge TTI and TTI Plus. Okay, so let's get started. Here's my Leatherman Charge, and this one is the stock shed that comes with it, the Charge. This is the bit extender, the two 20 pieces bit screws, and the lead lenser P2 core. Okay, so these are my everyday carries. At first guys, the original stock shed that comes with the Charge TTI won't fit the two bit kits. Yeah, won't fit the two bit kits. Yeah, usually it fits just one when I place it here. Then the Leatherman Charge, so it fits perfectly. Sorry about that. But what I did was, in order to fit these two here, I lay it back to back, then place it in. After that, I place the Charge. So at first I was getting a hard time closing it. So as you can see, it's really far off. So what I did was trying to make this extend the leather part by pushing it all the way in and forcing it to lock in its place. Yeah. So as time goes by, the leather will, it's not that hard anymore to close it as time goes by. So that's about it. So the screws here, the different Torx screws, the Allen, the Phillips, the what else? The Eyeglass Screwdriver. Yeah. So I'll just put these specifications in the description down below. Okay. And this one guys, it's really helpful for those hard to reach places, because as what you all know, the Leatherman Charge or the Charge Plus has a very short length to it. So this will add, let's say about 3 inches. Sorry about that again. Yeah, about 3 to 4 inches. But let's just measure it in here. 3.5, almost 4 inches. Yeah, so that's the beauty of this Leatherman, because it also has a ruler in it. Yeah. So you could interchange these. It's really hard to get it off. You could interchange these with whatever you like here. Let's say for this is the 1/4 by 6 millimeter Allen. Yeah. And yeah, this is really helpful, guys, when you're always doing construction stuff or DIY. And also, did I mention to you that there is a secret lanyard ring here on the saw part? It's right over here. Okay, so all you need to do is grab something small or stiff, then just slide it out. Yep, that's about it. So you can have the ring lanyard and also the clip on the Charge. So it's really a good feature. So you don't have to replace this with the ring lanyard but there's a built-in ring lanyard. It's just pretty much hidden outside, so at least now you know. Also, what I bring with me from my everyday carry is this lead lancer P2 core. So this is with me for a while now, and I just place it here on the side so that whenever nighttime comes and I need to lighten up things, it has 3 modes: medium and high. The high part is really, shall we say, it's really good for this small, considering it's just the size of the Leatherman. It has a 3 modes. You could do it focus or flood. Yeah, so that's the beauty of this, guys. So we'll try to place everything back again on the pouch that comes with it. So let's go. First, all I need to do is place this first. Okay. Do the layering. The back part should be upwards a little bit more compared to the inner. Then also this is next, the charge. Okay. After that, you can place the side accessories on the side, and also the light. Okay, then time to close this. Okay, so that's about it. So it's that easy, it's that simple. Well, at first I never thought that all of this would fit on the original pouch, but it did. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you didn't yet, then like the video, and see you again next time.